Okay, your next step has to do with background and images and titles, but I had an idea, so I want to show you something first. So if I want to rotate this, so like I want the hands in a different position, for example, you're going to use this. So you don't want to resize it here. You're going to move the mouse so you're at this like one dot that is further away, and then you're going to move it and it's going to rotate. Obviously, that was not in the correct location. So and then you're just going to need to adjust. Remember that you can best adjust if you hold the Alt key and slowly move the bone where you think it should go. All right, obviously we need to be over to be actually attached. And okay, there we go. That looks pretty good. Now background. So you're going to change the background, right? If you change it to an image here, odds are it's going to interfere with seeing the skeleton. So really all I want you to do is change the background to a color that's appropriate. So I like to do a gradient theme. And so let's see what this one looks like. Okay, I kind of like that one. All right, as long as you change the background to something. On yours, it's starting white, so you have to change it to something, okay? Now I have to add two images. So I'm going to do insert image, search the web, and I'm going to do transparent. This helps me get an image that works, and I want a basketball clip art. Okay, so here we're going to drag this one over. Obviously, this is way too big, so let's shrink it down. Still too big. It's a little small. Okay, how does that look? Pretty good. Let's just move it up a tiny bit. I don't want it floating above the hand. So again, hold the Alt key to move your image precisely. All right, now what other image do I want? A scoreboard. All right, let's put this over here. Let's shrink it down. Just to have it kind of showing up right there. Okay, so I need at least two images that are appropriate, and then I have to add a title. So to add a title, you're going to click text box, drag where you want to put the title. I'm going to put mine down here. Okay, I'm going to change the font. 14 is awful tiny for a title, so let's go 24. For the color, you can choose ones in the theme. I like to make mine bold, and mine is all right, so there is my title, a little punny, okay? And so there you have it. That's how you change the background. Remember, that was up here. Click on the color. I added two images. That's insert image, and you're going to search the web. The tip is to use transparent. Okay, and then to do your title, you're going to click to add a text box and put it where you want, and then change the size, the color. If you add a text box by mistake, if you just click on it, you can just delete that. Okay, so there is the next step to your project.